Hi, the lesson that I'd like to teach would be under algebra, and it would be specifically adding and then getting into subtracting polynomials. I would differentiate this lesson in several different ways. First, I'd like to use manipulatives, particularly algebra tiles. Now, these are tiles, obviously, they're square and they can be different. Students can differentiate the degree of polynomials. So the square would be the square x squared, and then there's rectangular would be for x's, and then the small ones, small square ones are for integers. And first you would start off with the yellow ones, and then the students, this would be positive, and the students could then learn how to combine like terms and being able to add them together. And then eventually the next lesson would be subtracting, and then that's where you introduce the red ones, and then they can realize they can add and subtract using these tiles. This is very effective for all of the students, but particularly for the ones that like to touch. So our kinesthetic and tactile users would really benefit from this method. Also, I'd like to incorporate a graphic organizer. Graphic organizers are great. It helps keep the students on task, and it's really beneficial for the visual learners so that they are able to follow along. And then lastly, I would incorporate the entire lesson using a PowerPoint. I like PowerPoint because, again, that would target the two senses. Again, the visual learners so they can see what's going on up on the screen, but also with myself talking, so the auditory learners are going to be able to hear that. Thank you.